All right, folks.
It's looking like a rainy day.
It's a marathon.
Hey, man, it's looking like a rainy day.
Hey, rainy. I just peeked it right now. Just got the notification.
I won't lie. Earlier today, the clouds was kind of cloudy. I kind of liked it.
I like cloud, though.
Yeah, so I think it was about to rain, but it didn't.
Oh, must be V.
So maybe in a few minutes it'll rain. Oh, I get it.
Oh,
damn. That was a good one, man. I get you. That's
you know what I'm saying? Once, the gods love my boy Tay.
Indeed.
You know what I mean?
Indubitably.
Damn, he's all the way through, eh? Jazz all the way through.
Oh, who texting you?
Oh, let's go. This is fire.
That's already looking mad cool, bro.
This beat is cool.
Oh, where you at?
Oh, that's his actual dog.
Real vibe. You see how he's just like laying
And it
out?
feels like rainy
There's no
days
bed
when I
frame.
think about it.
He's in a cool ass room. Yeah.
All the windows and stuff.
A lot of
Lo-fi, I guess.
Bro, can we talk about how like V has like dropped two songs like almost back to back?
Hasn't been done in a while, eh?
This is crazy.
Yeah.
Shit, we like it though.
I love it. I feel you. The music video is really. Oh, I saw the V. Nice.
Whoa.
The music video. This is where you are?
Where is this?
I feel like it's a real place. You know what I'm saying?
Me too. That's why I'm like.
Yeah, where we at? But yeah, rainy days. I think he's really portraying rainy days like it's a lazy day.
Yeah,
like I get about wear my clothes, get back down.
Yeah,
sleep.
yeah.
And it's
The
just
alarm
the music.
turns on. You
right,
wake
and
up
you
and
get
you
the
go back
text. You just chilling. You don't want to talk to nobody, and you're just feeling lethargic. But listen, I really like how the beat is like lo-fi-ish.
Yeah.
I really
like,
love
it's
that.
just calm. It's like
just,
really calm. It's like you're at a coffee shop in London.
See, this can be a coffee shop thing.
Or Paris, France. Yeah,
Fuck
it's
it,
dope.
man. Play V shit.
Hoping for your call lately. I've been on my own, maybe. Isn't it so
Wow.
haven't changed, it's still the same.
He's like going on a date with his dog.
Wow. This is such a vibe.
Both songs are a vibe. Even yesterday's song.
Yeah.
You watching cartoons? Oh, that's fine.
I don't know how they be doing this stuff.
Yeah, that's flames, bro. Don't cry, Ulichima! Boy, really crying. Damn, bro.
He didn't drop the tear though.
Who made V cry?
It ain't a rainy day because he didn't drop the tears.
Who made my boy emotional?
Hey, it's gotta be Homegirl from last song. Gotta be, man. He want her back.
Man, yeah, I miss her.
Yeah, you miss her.
I'm just, every time I do this, I talk as if I'm them,
Hey, yeah, I miss her, man. Hey, bro.
Rainy days, baby.
Come on, sunny day.
Remember how I used to make you laugh the most? Nigga, it don't matter, child, your growth so low. Let me make up for all the time we lost. We can start again, open all the doors.
Ooh,
Don't tell me it's over. We can start.
Hey, bro, you been taking English lessons we don't know about,
Yeah, it
son?
sounds very like,
This man's English gotten a lot better,
man,
man.
it's the glasses.
Yeah. Maybe the glasses sold him on it, right?
Over.
Check it out,
All
though.
the doors. Don't tell me it's over. We can start it over. 99 late clover. Yeah, I can feel your touch. I remember your kiss. Come out and Apache and I miss you. Rainy days.
Oh, wow.
This is so artistic. God damn.
This is insane. Hey!
Hey!
Hey! Oh my God, V. This is giving such a V vibe.
No,
I love
it
how
is.
like everyone's comeback is giving their own vibe. You know what I mean?
That's
Jimin, Sugar, like you name it, like
That's
everyone.
fact.
everyone.
RM especially. That's
J
facts,
Hope,
by the way.
like that's fire. Like
That's facts.
this is what we've been longing for, guys. This is it. This is
This-
exactly what we've been waiting on. And so
Woo-wee.
like it's really good to see everyone doing what they've been wanting to do for a while now. And so now like when it's all said and done and everyone comes back, like I'm gonna keep saying this shit. We gonna keep saying this shit. It's gonna be a movie. It's gonna be a real movie, man.
Flower.
It's gonna be a whole chapter in history, like a mark,
like a time skip.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay,
You know
got
what I mean?
it.
So,
Bro,
I'm proud of V, man. I'm proud of
I'm
everyone.
very, bro. Are we gonna? So the whole album's going. I think I saw a comment saying we're gonna get 4 music videos.
Okay.
I don't know how they know this. Maybe we don't know, or maybe they be
You know,
digging.
there's just so much going on in
So
life
much-
right now.
I don't
It be
get
rainy
it.
days every day.
Rainy days. I'm depressed. Just yesterday I was crying.
Yeah, I cried this morning.
Perfect.